Second question. Find the value of an unknown x and y in the following diagram. First diagram. First we find this angle. Okay, we know that exterior angle is 120 degree. We use exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. That means x plus 50 degree equal to 120 degree. X equal to 120 minus 50 degree equal to 70 degree. X equal to 70 degree. Okay. Next we use angle sum property. What is angle sum properties? Sum of all interior angle is 180 degree. X plus y plus 50 equal to 180 degree. We know that x equal to 70 degree. 70 plus y plus 50 equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 50 we get 20 plus y equal to 180 degree. Y equal to 180 minus 120. Y equal to 60 degree. We get y equal to 60 degree and x equal to 70 degree. This is second diagram. Look at this figure. This angle and this angles are vertically opposite angle. That means these two angles are equal measure. That is angle y equal to 80. Okay. Next we use angle sum properties. Angle y plus angle x plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. We know that angle y equal to 80 degree. 80 plus x plus 50 equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 50 we get 130 plus x equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 130. The answer 50 degree. X equal to 50 degree. Y equal to 80 degree. This is the third diagram. First we find y. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. That means angle y equal to 90 degree. Okay. Next we use angle sum properties. Y plus x equal to 180 degree. We know that y equal to 90 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. And d plus 2x equal to 180 degree. 2x equal to 180 minus 90 degree. 180 minus 90, we get the answer 90 degree. 2x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 divided by 2, we get the answer 45 degree. X equal to 45 degree. We get x equal to 45 and y equal to 90 degree. This is the fourth diagram. Look at this figure. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. That means these two angles are equal measure. That is angle y equal to x. Okay. And these two angles are vertically opposite angle. These two angles are equal measure. That means these angles are x. Okay. Also these angles also x. Why? Yes, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Next we use angle sum property. X plus y equal to 180 degree. We know that y equal to x. X plus x equal to 180. X plus x, 2x, 2x plus x, 3x. 3x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 divided by 3, 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. That means these three angles are 60 degree. Okay. This triangle, which type of triangle? Yes, these three angles are 60 degree. This triangle is equilateral triangle.